How to delete your Roblox account on phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account in here. Then click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down and click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Here you'll find different options. Click on Account Deactivation and Deletion. Then click on Initiate Account Deletion and press on Initiate. Click on Initiate here. Now you will find Account Deactivation, and in Deletion click on Support Form, which will lead you to this page. Username, first name, parents, guardian, email address, confirm email address, type of device you're using, help category, I want to delete my account, subcategory, I want to delete my account, and press on continue. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to delete your Roblox account on phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.